My name's Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor. I worked at IRS over a decade. Me and my M&M man give you a thumbs up for being here. My YouTubes are very, very short, so you can call me or do some due diligence. But today I want to talk to you about when should you hire for tax representation. I've been doing this a long time and worked at IRS. I've seen a lot of people do this themselves. And so you got to ask yourself, if you're a do-it-yourselfer and you don't have the money, when should you get professional help? You know, it depends on a lot of factors. And some people call me. Actually, about 50% of the people that call me, I tell them they can do that themselves. I do. You want to be able to be truthful with people. You want to be able to sleep at night. And not every case deserves representation. You know, on matters that you owe money and you don't have any money, man, I'd call IRS. IRS will probably sympathize with you, but that sympathy must be backed up by having documentation for that. If your case you believe is complicated or there's some scare factor that you have, that's the time that you go ahead and ask for representation. So kind of, if you're pretty sure you're on solid ground with everything you're saying and you feel confidence you can handle it and you've done your due diligence and your research, man, go ahead and do it. There's no problem in doing so. But where I divide the line, like I said, is if you're unsure of yourself, it's a larger amount of money, you may have a few skeletons, that's when you reach out to call people. And what you can do, I don't suggest you ever just call one person. I recommend you always call 3 people and find out how much you're going to charge, what their take is, let them review the case. One thing that's very, very important when you call, okay, make sure you're not speaking to a sales company. These big floors, these big box firms that you see advertising a lot, the first person you're speaking to is always a sales person because they're going to make the money on your case. If in fact you're going to speak to someone, the big tip is make sure you speak to a tax professional. Thank you.